there lived a lovely little princess named Snow White. Her vain and wicked stepmother, the queen, feared that one day Snow White's beauty would surpass her own. So she dressed the little princess in rags and forced her to work as a servant in the castle.
Snow White is the best of them all!
Timer, ano yan?
Where is Snow White? Ha 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 ha! Where is Snow White? The dwarfs were so sad. They put Snow White in a glass coffin because she was so beautiful and stayed that way even in death. They visited her each day with flowers. One day, a prince rode by and saw the strange scene.
When slowly her eyes opened, the spell was broken. Love's first kiss had brought her to life. The prince and Snow White lived happily ever after.